My name is Ethan. I am 9 years old and I live in Wexford. The name of my story is The Height of Success. It was an exciting day for Dr. Strawberry Octoploid. He sprung out of bed and made his bed. He believed making his bed made him a super achiever. After his morning routine, he carefully combed his calyx and admired himself in the mirror. "Boy, you look smoothie fruity," he said. He read the letter from Chip Chipster, a famous reporter from Choco Studios, asking for an interview about a success story. It was in 30 minutes. He grabbed his fruitcase and dashed out the door. Back in the studio, Chip Chipster was excited to interview the surgery specialist, Dr. Strawberry Octoploid. He can operate on any fruit, in and out, and knows 8 different surgeries. He's a role model for perseverance. Chip also worked hard to become the top reporter at Choco Studios. Dr. Strawberry arrived at the studio 10 minutes early. Chip Chipster greeted him at the door with a bright smile and seated him. He told the doctor, "Let's get started with our interview. Can you tell us about your childhood days and how it shaped you?" Dr. Strawberry sat up in his chair. "Oh, I remember those days like it was yesterday. I will be happy to share that with you. When I was a little boy, I wanted to play with the Citrus Pals because I also had vitamin C. They were jealous because I had more and didn't let me join. I tried to jello with my berry friends, but they ignored me because my seeds were outside, unlike them. Though I look prickly, I am a sweet guy inside." Chipster said, "It looks like you had a rough childhood. What motivated you to become a surgeon?" Dr. Strawberry said, "Growing up, I was sad and alone. I spent my summer breaks at my uncle's science lab. He was a scientist. On my 8th birthday, my uncle invited me to view his findings on a strawberry's anatomy. I was eager to learn more about myself. My uncle extracted the DNA of a strawberry, and I looked at it under the microscope." Chip Chipster, "Do you know what a DNA is?" Chip replied, "I know it's a strand of genetic makeup." "What does it stand for?" Dr. Strawberry said, "It is short for deoxyribonucleic acid. Every living organism is made of many cells, and every cell is made of strands of DNA. DNA holds hidden information that decides the fate of that organism. It tells you if you would grow scales or leaves. Also, strawberries have 8 copies of DNA in every cell, more than what my other fruity friends had. I had octoploid cells. It struck me that I was unique. I was born to achieve greater heights. No wonder I felt I was different." Chip said, "Do you think that changed your life?" Dr. Strawberry nodded and said, "Yes, it did. I thought if my cell had 8 copies, why can't I do something 8 times better? I decided to be a doctor, and I specialized in 8 surgical fields. I helped my citrus and berry pals with all their transplants." Chipster said, "This was the most inspiring story I've ever heard. I wish you achieved greater heights. Thank you for your time, Dr. Strawberry Octoploid." The end.